Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge on Samsung Galaxy A05s. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click install. And now click open. Here you can click skip introduction, and now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Now you can turn on notifications from this browser, or you can click no thanks, and your Microsoft Edge is all set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.